Upgrade your cooking with 15 must-have Amazon kitchen gadgets. Links in the description below.
Master grilling indoors with this state-of-the-art hard anodized non-stick grill pan. Its 11 by 11-inch surface is ideal for achieving perfect sear marks on meat and veggies. Oven-safe and scratch-resistant, this pan combines professional quality with futuristic durability, giving you chef-level results every time. Say goodbye to messy countertops with this airtight butter dish. Its innovative design preserves freshness while accommodating all butter styles, from Kerrygold to cream cheese. The durable plastic material and sleek modern appearance make it a functional and stylish addition to your fridge or counter. Upgrade your drinkware with these eco-friendly reusable glass tumblers. Perfect for iced coffee, smoothies, or infused water, each 22-ounce cup features a secure lid and straw for spill-free enjoyment. With 2 cleaning brushes included, these futuristic cups are as practical as they are stylish, making them a must-have for sustainable living. Cut prep time in half with this powerful 3-in-1 food processor. Equipped with stainless steel bowls, it chops, grinds, and peels with precision. Its stylish blue design blends seamlessly into any kitchen while providing the ultimate time-saving convenience for busy cooks. Elevate your healthy cooking game with this expandable stainless steel steamer basket. Designed to fit a variety of pot sizes, it's perfect for steaming vegetables, seafood, or dumplings. Its durable construction and collapsible design make it a space-saving, futuristic tool that no kitchen should be without. Hydration has never looked this good. This 32-ounce borosilicate glass bottle features a silicone sleeve for a secure grip and a built-in fruit infuser for delicious, nutrient-packed drinks. A time marker on the bottle encourages consistent hydration, while its sleek, leak-proof design makes it ideal for home, office, or travel. Simplify your cooking with this compact and powerful rice cooker. Designed for modern kitchens, it's perfect for small portions of rice, soups, grains, or even oatmeal. The non-stick pot ensures easy cleaning, and the keep warm function guarantees hot meals ready when you are. Its sleek aqua finish adds a pop of color to your kitchen while delivering futuristic functionality. Revolutionize tea time with this versatile multi-brew glass teapot. Brew hot tea, create refreshing iced blends, or infuse water with fruits and herbs. With a 51-ounce capacity and sleek futuristic design, it's perfect for serving guests or enjoying a quiet moment of relaxation. Take your Instant Pot to the next level with this premium stainless steel steamer basket. Perfect for cooking everything from veggies to dumplings, its sturdy handle makes lifting easy. A timeless kitchen accessory designed for modern convenience and long-lasting performance. Protect your hands in style. These extra-long silicone oven mitts feature a heat-resistant design that withstands high temperatures while offering flexibility and comfort. The quilted liner ensures a snug fit, and the vibrant green hue adds a touch of modernity to your kitchen. Perfect for handling pots, pans, and baking trays with confidence. This cutting board is a kitchen game changer. Featuring stainless steel on one side for meat prep and a wheat straw surface for veggies, it's designed for hygiene and versatility. Easy to clean and eco-friendly, it's the futuristic tool that ensures your kitchen is always a step ahead. Reinvent your drink presentation with these innovative round ice cube trays. Each tray comes with a lid and bin, making storage and transport a breeze. Whether it's for cocktails or iced coffee, these futuristic trays create the perfect spheres to keep your drinks cool and stylish. Experience the future of brewing with this 3-in-1 coffee machine. Whether you prefer K-cups, instant coffee, or tea, it delivers consistent results with just a touch. With adjustable brew sizes and a removable 50-ounce water reservoir, it's the perfect blend of technology and convenience for any kitchen. Enjoy barista-quality coffee at home with this stainless steel French press. Featuring 4-level filtration for smooth, rich brews, it's designed to maximize flavor while minimizing effort. The sleek and modern design ensures it's as beautiful as it is functional. A must-have for coffee lovers. Say hello to smarter cooking with this Bluetooth-enabled meat thermometer. It wirelessly connects to your smartphone, ensuring perfectly cooked steaks, poultry, or roasts every time. With over 50 recipes in the app, this futuristic kitchen gadget makes precision cooking effortless and enjoyable.